Whether dried or raw, this red algae is packed with iron, iodine and magnesium. Learn about seamoss, nutrition, benefit and risk, plus find out how to eat it. Today's video will discuss seamoss benefits and how to use it.
Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily.
What is seamoss? Seamoss, also known as iris moss, is a type of red algae. You can find this flavorless edible seed plant in supplements in raw, dried or gel form. Seamoss nutrition. Seamoss is a natural source of micronutrients such as iodine and iron. A standard 2-tablespoon serving of raw iris seamoss contains the following nutrients: calories 5 gram, fat 0 gram, protein 0.2 grams, sodium 6.7 milligrams, carbohydrates 1.2 grams, dietary fiber 0.1 grams, magnesium 14.4 milligrams, calcium 7.2 milligrams, potassium 6.3 milligrams, iron 0.89 milligrams, phosphorus 15.7 milligrams. Types of seamoss. Though most seamoss products are made from the red algae Chrontus crepus, the term seamoss may sometimes refer to algae or seaweed that comes in various colors from green and yellow, purple and black. Seamoss benefits. Seamoss may have potential benefits for gut health, blood sugar control, cell and heart health. But more robust research is needed, especially in humans, to determine the benefits of seamoss. Despite the lack of studies, there are simple reasons seamoss has taken the wellness world by storm. It has a strong nutritional profile. Here are some health benefits of seaweed. Iron. 100 grams of seamoss provides 50% of your recommended daily value of iron. Magnesium. 100 gram serving of seamoss contains about 34% of your recommended daily value of magnesium. Iodine. Your thyroid needs iodine to make hormones, and since the body doesn't make iodine, you need to get it from your diet. It might protect your nerves. Preliminary research demonstrated that once given seamoss extract had lower neuron loss and moved faster. That could potentially help people with Parkinson's disease. It may help weight loss. Some seamoss fans claim that it accelerates weight loss, but believing in one magic food to reset your diet. How to solve for seamoss. Seamoss supplements are often combined with doses of anti-inflammatory, turmeric or other health-boosting nutrients. For pure seamoss, look for dried or fresh red algae labeled iris moss or Chrontus crepus. You can find it online or at some health food or supplement stores. How to eat seamoss. Adding seamoss to your diet is simple. If you buy it raw instead of dried, you will need to wash, soak and blend it before consuming. So what do you think of this important information? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.